There is one more thing that I wanted to share with you. From time to time, there is a need to compare two notebooks or two checkpoints side by side, just like a source code. However, in the case of notebooks, it is not that easy because this notebook document consists of the cells with the code or with the markdown, but also there are the outputs from each cell. In order to facilitate easy comparison of multiple notebooks, we developed a custom solution that understands that structure of the notebook. So let's take a look at one example. I just want to compare the latest checkpoint from this notebook with some early checkpoint from the same notebook. Let's take a look at the results. So here, what you can immediately see is that that view is a side-by-side comparison, but at the same time, it understands the structure of the notebook. So each cell is separated, and I have highlighted the differences in the code, like in this example, and also in the markdown, and also in the outputs. So here is another example of the code differences in the particular cell. There are upload source files, which is missing here on the left side, and also here are on the left side are more dense layers when compared to the right side. So in this way, you can, for example, check the differences across multiple checkpoints, or see the differences in the visualizations that you are creating, or maybe some other aspects of the notebooks that you want to inspect in greater detail.